Just remember why you're doing this. You got a wedding. You got a dress to fit into. You got a corset. Okay. 37, 38, 200. Okay. Let's do some push-ups. Because people do push-ups. Make these arms look good. Okay. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, forget the arms. Okay, forget the arms. No, we can do some of these. It's got the arms. Oh, yes. Yes, it does. All right. Right, like a ninja. Burn it all up. All right. Working it all out. Yeah. I got this. Okay. We're gonna use these for a couple of things. We're gonna do something like this. Because it works. Feels good. Yes. What? Lose that gut. What? Lose that butt. Alright. And I'm getting sick of these. What else do people do? They lunge. They lunge when they work out. When they do this kind of stuff. When they lunge. And I don't really know what part of me this is working. But it's working something, I hope. Yes.
Hey, sweetie.
Yeah. What's up?
Don't be the pot that calls a kettle black.